Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Settings, tapping Mail, then Accounts, and selecting Add Account. Enter your email address and password when prompted because that lets iOS auto-detect server settings for common providers. If auto-detect fails, choose Other to enter details manually. This gives you control over a map versus POP. Once done, make sure to allow mail access to contacts and calendars if you want integrated sync. This first step gets the account created. Next, we resolve server specifics and security. Now you configure incoming and outgoing servers. IMAP is recommended because it keeps mail synced across devices. Enter the incoming server name, your username, full email, and the correct port, typically 993 with SSL for IMAP or 995 for POP. For outgoing SMTP, use port 465 or 587 with TLS/SSL. Authentication must be password or OAuth. If your account uses two-factor authentication, generate and paste an app-specific password. Once saved, Mail will verify. Finish by sending a test message and confirming it arrives and that replies send correctly. This proves SMTP works. Then fine-tune fetch settings, push frequency, notifications, and your signature so Mail behaves how you expect. Make sure mailbox behaviors map drafts and trash to the server for consistent sync. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to re-enter your password and check server names and port/SSL settings. If you use two-factor authentication, use an app-specific password.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.